Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here and transforming the way we live, work, and interact. From smart assistants in our homes and personalized shopping recommendations to groundbreaking advancements in healthcare, finance, and transportation, AI is reshaping our world. Today, we're going to go over 3 AI crypto projects that are democratizing access to AI and blockchain technology. These platforms are not just making AI tools more accessible, but are also ensuring this powerful technology is decentralized and open to everyone. Join us as we uncover how these projects are paving the way for a more equitable and technologically advanced future. In case you haven't heard, there are 3 major crypto narratives that are going to do extremely well this bull run. This is AI, artificial intelligence. The second is RWAs, real world assets. And the third is crypto gaming. All 3 of these have the opportunity to bring in mass crypto adoption and produce some real revenue. A lot of these cryptocurrencies that you see have a $4, $5, $6 billion valuation, and they're bringing in no money. That is not going to be the case with these 3 narratives. With the Bitcoin ETF, we are going to start seeing a different class of investor coming into the crypto space. People who actually pay attention to the value of projects. Here are my top 3 low-cap AI crypto picks. So you can come to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and you can go into categories. So here I have pulled up the top artificial intelligence coins by market cap. And of course, first is Fetch AI. It's a huge one. Coming in second, we have ICP, Internet Computer. Both have about a $6 billion valuation. Then we've got Render, Graph, BitTensor. Those are the major 5. Singularity as well. All are valued into multiple billions of dollars. When I try to choose coins, I try to find technology and a team that is going to drive adoption and also knows how to market themselves. I try to get all of that under $250 million market cap. So I have to do a lot of research. Coins I'm going to introduce to you today check all of those boxes. First up, we're going to start off with Basedai. Basedai has a $243 million valuation at $6.77 a token. And if we go to their website, we can pull up their white paper. And the TLDR on their white paper, what makes this project so cool, so groundbreaking. So Basedai is a decentralized network that integrates FHE, or fully homomorphic encryption, with large language models. This allows miners to process encrypted user queries and responses without decrypting your data. A huge thing that's popping up with all of this artificial intelligence is, how do we keep our information our information? The world that we live in, information is key, and people pay a lot of money for personal information. Now, Basedai has come up with a model that's going to allow the user to use its AI. They don't have to worry about their information getting leaked because the AI never decrypts the information. Okay, second on the list, I've got Pepecoin. Now, Pepecoin is technically a meme coin, but Basedai has integrated this meme coin with the launch of their large language model. The Pepecoin has a $580 million market cap, and before this crypto dip in the beginning of April, it had almost $1 billion market cap. I think it may have even crossed $1 billion at one point. So we're on sale 50% right now. So in order to become a miner in the Basedai project, you're going to need these things called brains. And in order to get these brains, you have to stake 100,000 Pepecoins for 3 months. If you unstake, the brain is returned to the public pool. So after the 3 months is up, all of that Pepecoin is going to be burned, decreasing the supply of Pepecoin by 80%. This is going to skyrocket the price. I am heavily invested in Pepecoin, waiting for this burning. So beyond this part, it gets really technical. It's beyond the scope of this video. You can feel free to come here and learn more if you are interested in operating one of these brains. Okay, next we have Chaingpt. It's got $118 million market cap, 25 cents a token. But Chaingpt does a lot of different things. It's a crypto chatbot, which assists users with crypto-related queries. It's an NFT art generator, which creates unique NFT artwork, smart contract auditor and generator, so it ensures the smart contracts are secure and generates new ones for investors, and AI generated news, where it provides the latest updates in the crypto world so that you don't have to go digging. You can basically tell it what you're looking for and it will return that to you. But the main thing that I am interested in with Chaingpt is Chaingpt Pad. So this is actually a really successful AI project launchpad, and it's had pages and pages and pages of really good AI projects launch on it. This seems to be the go-to. I'm actually invested in another AI project, AIPad, through Bluezilla. If your project was going to be successful during the last bull run, you were on one of the Bluezilla launchpads. And I got to tell you, it has really underperformed. I've been holding this token for about a year now, and you can come in here and stake your Cgpt, and then you can have access to some of these IDOs and launchpads and get in at the ground floor. Okay, last we have Morpheus AI. Morpheus AI has a fully diluted valuation of $5 billion. However, circulating supply is not on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap for that matter. But if you come to Birdeye, it will tell you that the circulating supply is about 381,000 and the current market cap is around $48 million. So what makes Morpheus AI a project that I was drawn to? So just like Basedai focuses on privacy with large language model AI, Morpheus AI focuses on decentralization. So the bad thing with a lot of these AI companies is that large companies control it, and they get to control what it says and how it learns and how it responds to users. And we've seen some of this in Google's AI recently, where they had to apologize for missing the mark after Gemini generated racially diverse Nazis. Not only this, but they were also doing it with their chatbot. If you asked it political questions, it would basically tell you that anything Democrat is good and anything Republican was bad. You can kind of see where that's headed. So Morpheus aims to address this by offering a decentralized, open source, permissionless AI, along with a crypto-based financial systems to reward AI and smart agent providers. This approach ensures freedom from centralized control and promotes a more open AI ecosystem. So that's what makes Morpheus a little bit different from the others. So right now they're doing a fair launch of their token, and you can come to this page and stake a minimum of 0.011 ST-ETH, and then you will begin to earn the MOR token with yield. If you're interested in that, that's great. Come here and do that, and you'll get these tokens for free, but it's also offered on the market. So guys, as always, do your own research. All I'm doing is showing you the investing decisions that I have made recently. None of this is financial advice, and if you listen to me, you will probably lose all of your money. Just know that, man. Take responsibility for your investing actions. Do your own research. I urge all of you to come here, read these white papers, find out why I'm so bullish on these projects. And that's all I got for you today, guys. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.